In an effort to regain advertisers' trust, Google is announcing what it says are tough but necessary changes to YouTube monetization. For one thing, it's setting a higher bar for the YouTube Partner Program, which is what allows publishers to make money through advertising. Previously, they needed 10,000 total views to join the program. Starting today, channels also need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time in the past year. For now, those are just requirements to join the program, but Google says it will also start applying them to current partners on 20th February. This might assure marketers that their ads are less likely to run on random, fly-by-night channels, but as Google's Paul Murrett writes, of course, size alone is not enough to determine whether a channel is suitable for advertising. YouTube is tightening the rules around its partner program and raising the requirements that a channel creator must meet in order to monetize videos. Effective immediately, to apply for monetization, and have ads attached to videos, creators must have tallied 4,000 hours of overall watch time on their channel within the past 12 months and have at least 1,000 subscribers. YouTube will enforce the new eligibility policy for all existing channels as of February 20th, meaning that channels that fail to meet the threshold will no longer be able to make income from ads. Previously, the standard for joining YouTube's partner program was 10,000 public views, without any specific requirement for annual viewing hours. This change will no doubt make it harder for new, smaller channels to reach monetization, but YouTube says it's an important way of buying itself more time to see who's following the company's guidelines and disqualify bad actors. Video monetization criteria. Your channel must be approved to join the YouTube Partner Program, and your videos must meet these minimum requirements in order to be monetized. Your content is advertiser friendly. You created the content or have permission to use it commercially. You are able to provide documentation proving you own commercial rights to all audio and video content. Your content complies with YouTube Partner Program policies, YouTube's terms of service, and community guidelines. YouTube reserves the right to disable monetization for accounts that do not follow our guidelines. Examples of content that may be eligible for monetization. You filmed your cat and there is no background music. Your video contains royalty-free music, and you can prove commercial use rights using a direct link to its terms. Your friend created content for your video and states in writing that you may use and make money from it. You created original music yourself and are not signed to a label. Examples of content that would not be eligible for monetization. Your video has music you purchased on iTunes or content you taped off of television. You edit together a compilation of content created by others. Content with violence and/or nudity meant to shock and disgust. Thank you for watching the video.